What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, we have K and the Lion Man kick off, you know what I mean, over some local, I think because him disrespect Ziggy woman Barbi. Yeah. So we're gonna get in that my people. Also one piece of something on the live with TJ, the Lion Man and Barbi. One clash me people, one big clash cause they must say a man, you know what I mean? But then you know say a woman cause she have a youth them for sure. You see me? And also we have what more we have people? We have cute boss here. And she bought a saga go and same way cause about 3 different live she bought a do. For cute boss, you see me I say a cute boss I think did the same amount or more, you know what I mean, back and forth over some boil with them where she deal with, and you know what I mean thing there. She why people may I make on hear cause we can't get in the details right now. Let me see what more we have. We have other things and people we don't remember, so we could get in it.
You know how long me not say Jamaica people? Jan week. Me class Jamaica and tell Jamaica some nasty things out of my mouth, you know. So you don't see me. Yeah, me see your ID. I laugh. Look here, love me now. But a long time me not see Jamaica. Jamaica foundation in the people. But him just gonna leave me so. I'm just can't leave me. Hey, my opinion! Yeah! Johnny just can't leave me so. Come on from the program and go, man. Stick me. Backside. Yeah, back to the matter at hand, yeah, people. Back to the matter at hand. As me I say. Yeah, journey wagwan. Auntie, oh yeah, glow so, huh? And me a glow so. And the Karachi show, what texted for me. The big old girl with name, cute boss. Can you remember her name? The whole I meet them and live better than her. Yeah, we fear crutches, girl, citizenship in a ghetto. She was texted for me. People, I don't depend that with you. Yeah. Crystal, one thing do you always a give me. If I evil rose, you always a give me. So when the tax return will come? When is the tax return coming? Can you always a give me now one thing with you? You always a come in and light up the screen like Martin. I understand say a 1 cent gift them here, but me appreciate it with that every heart. Yeah, just with that every heart, me appreciate it, but we still appreciate it. Where you go cost for? It matter. It matter. Hey. You see why me can't beg? Me can't beg, you know. Me can't beg because I'm too obligated. Me cannot beg. No, sister, me can't beg because I think I'm obligated. Yeah, I want to put on a seafood bar, but not this time. My things, them are going to glow. Them are going to have butter and garlic. Michelle now go sad and dry. My things are go glow. The lady say me attack her business. Her business fail her there between her foot. That fail her. Yeah. Auntie, please come Canada. Then it's Canada you and a half. You're supposed to stand up on Niagara Falls and I think. Come in a journey. Page one girl. Big up your nice, clean self page. You always out there defend me. Pink Patty, big up yourself in the comment section. You and other people, I don't remember their names, so don't hold me accountable. Oh, me hear about Pink Patty and some other more, but you know me can't remember people. The same way boy come up to me and say, yo, go on, you know, come look for me. I ask her, oh, you say, remember me, you there? Yeah, some still. I just have many more than one relationship because I'm not sure. Yeah. Honeybee, come eat me. I'm sorry, cute boss never class nasty honeybee. Cute boss next time when you see honeybee, rub out and nasty, it's a Martin friend. Once you see honeybee, cute boss, rub out the bitch. A long time I want to tell her some things, but I don't want to feel aware. So I beg you do it for me. Yeah. Tell her anything. Pink Patty. All your hypocrite, yeah. Yeah. Rub out the bitch, cute boss. Use your ashtray mouth pan the bitch and your cigarette about teeth. Use it. Me say cute boss vex over the fact say she don't want to jump in the Shanta argument, cause you know say cute boss ride and die for Rosalie. She don't want to jump in the Shanta argument and could jump in it. You know this cover, she could jump in it. So that hurt her. Jamaica, who you call to? Don't call nobody for my program, Jamaica, you're a hypocrite. Remember you come and go. Remember you come and go. Don't call to nobody for my program and go like you want mix. So Jamaica in class, yo. Bad to bad, yeah. She could get for jumping in the Shanta argument, and that's why she come on and go like so she have no understanding to where Candy has said to her. She don't want to hear that, she don't want to say nothing about that. Cute boss is a little troublemaker, you're the only one take bad man and bring forth bad man. Your little older work opposite, there's that glitch in your vagina. Yeah, you want to come about me. For all of my life, you attack skin out and show them the fine vein or turn adult between your leg. And that if you do a whole heap of fine vein, a capillaries they call them, and run up and down them as swell, and you not breathe. And what do you? And you're the only one on the app look like you have gas. Yeah. And you want to come out a cute girl like me, a hot girl like me. And you go like you're all in a curse. That's why you have to talk and say you're this out and you're that out and you're this out and you're that out and you're this out and you're that out. Cause you know say your end game done. You don't have nobody who want journey with you go. Remember all of your mates them live good with the man them when you take overseas.
Alright my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Me not talk too much about that one, yeah, cause me have a lot to share, so make we move on and watch some more my people and then move on to the next.
One thing I want you to know, so just in case you never know, cute all of your mate them follow me. All of your mate them follow me. You know what them say? Them love it when me rub you out because me not talk nothing about truth. Sometimes them feel all guilty because them a wonder if them a tell me things and me never talk to them yet. Yeah. Now ask your cute boss. No man no wife, the man them can't find a relationship and you them there with them brother, give them life to the Lord. But he didn't go home. Yeah. Your whole as failure, your whole failure. Your whole failure. Stop feed the son pan cup soup. Remember nightly your son know him gonna eat tomorrow morning. And nightly him know. Yeah, no what can I tell a journey? And nightly him know you slump on the appetite about people bad men, you bad men, you little wife in youth. Cause you vex so you born before him and all now. And what do you bring forth him? You eat your offspring. Me not ask you, my baby. Me not go sit down and argue with you. Take care of your little boy. Me eat the fast game. I forgot the daily and night time for eat a morning. And that me eat. You boss, you never say that. You never say that. You do everything else on the app. Okay, now I want. You do that's a purple, big up yourself, my baby. You do everything else on the app. And you never say that, eh? And what kind of name that the S name the right there? So it must end with I bless that it. Oh wait, anyway, come again. I bless that. A Sharon bless that it name. And so it say, well anyways, if a Sharon bless, big up yourself. Yeah. Am I Sharon that? I a different Sharon this. How long time you don't see my Sharon?
I can do the things you do. I can get up and put down people every day. I have the capability to do that. I have the mouthpiece to do that. I have the capability to bring down people. I can. But I'm worried about my soul. The small one for 10,000, the tray. I worry about my soul. That's what I don't want to lose. I know everybody here go touch and get away with it. I am a marked child. You now go touch me and get away with it. God I go judge you. If you touch anybody else and not get judged, you touch me, God might put you down. You're devil work, I know. You work for the devil. You see you, Shibi? Me don't even go meds you. Because this is not you, you know. This is the devil behind you, using you against your will. And you see, because me know that, I stay far from you. This is not you. This is the devil taking you out of your talent and using you behind your will. You notice the devil take away your talent from you and give you a talent to put down humanity. You was a person who make people laugh. Naturally funny. You make people laugh for good reason. And now from TikTok come, you have the devil using you beyond your will. It's not funny no more. Don't attack my business, Shabada. Because you render powerless. You're powerless. You're powerless. A whole heap of weapon farm against cute boss. And none never prosper. Me a purpose. Me a purpose. I cannot be moved. That is why God have me under protection and have me knowing what I am doing. Don't attack my business. Why is it so hard for you to congratulate somebody? Why is it so hard for you to clap for somebody? Why is it so hard for you to cheer on somebody? You hold back yourself in a life, youth. You hold back yourself in a life. I've never asked to be in that World Cup. And somebody send this message to Shay for me. Shay, I'm a girl and I love you. Rate your Shay. But I'm going to tell you this. Extract me from that world.
The woman for cat cleaning. And you could buy 5 food when you come. But no, you want recruit. You're a recruiter for cat cleaning. So because you can't answer what him say, Ashibada say it. Candy probably I talk about it, but Ashibada say it. Them have no sense. I wanted to dance them. Exactly, but he was joking too. He was joking. What did I say? Well, she probably gonna play for the 5 food, but she gonna end up selling them. So me not see where she a go and suffer, cause all me I look for one screen recording for say. Then I went to me say I don't know when she be class cute boss. And when she be the cuss cute boss, when me hear she a cuss and a carry on. Me I say when she be the cuss cute boss. I was so shocked. Reading is fundamental, but you're dunce. You're not making any sense. But ima mess with our credibility. Bitch, what credibility? You sell crutches. What credibility you have?
You see what long I'm asking Cubas, where me say about her, and that me wanna know. No, I not talk about say me kill my career with bad mind. Wanna know where Cubas hear about me. Somebody ask her for me, please. Should it my life?
Because right now I'm totally confused. Because she got in, you know. You never helped nobody, not Melissa. Who was your platform ever? Me say if you hear the woman, me have to say like, oh, what the woman here come off of? What happened? Me say I was shocked. Me I try to figure out what happened when me hear she a go on and she a carry on. And me I say that woman, did this woman really hear when him say or somebody tell her something else? Because what she has said nah make no sense. Because if somebody say she go pay for the 5 food but you go sell them back, wrong with that? No hustle ya hustle. No hustle ya hustle. And he was just being cheeky when he said that.
Is she alive? Ask her when me say bad about her.
Heavy rain, already.
Ask her what did I say about her. For she to be coming at me. Ask her for me, please. Somebody just ask you about that for me, please. Ask her. First and foremost, we just want to ask her that what did I say about the lady this morning that was bad? Me talk to the lady food taste bad. Who on the program gave me to the lady food taste bad? Who on the program gave me to the lady food? Cubas can't say me a playing mind game. Just ask the lady femina, please.
Me say them love say people a play mind game. Me say they love talk about this mind game, you see. Of course, Prosperity Doll should not make no sense. What she has said don't make no sense. He must say, Bigfoot should have buy 5, pay for 5 food. That's all he must say. She should have support her friend business more. She have come from foreign. Basically, you know, he must say, no, she should have support her friend business more. She have come from foreign. That is what me get from it, you know. She could have paid for 5 food. You know, extra food. Cause she adore a little thing, you could have support her business more and tell her, say, you know, give her them 5 food, them man. But she be saying, you know what, but anyway, I know say she probably gonna resell them. She not gonna give them away. Me say she enough and done, so love one like she articulate, you see. I can't stand her.
Where she hear say about her? I just don't know why you ask cute boss.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. So, TikTok lawyer, I defend Shibada, saying, more know what you think about that. Look at what some more, my people.
You see all them little bit are mischievous? You see all them little bit are mischievous? Cubas, the hear me saying? You understand me? I shame me did a cuff this morning. I say, Shay, look how you walk on down Cubas to come in and start cleaning. And the woman that keep her seafood while. And you couldn't even support the lady.
Exactly.
And that me say, someone who tells cute man say, me did a chatter. Somebody just ask cute man, say me please. Ask cute man. Ask cute man. I shame me about this morning, you know. I shame me about this morning.
So Cuba's cuss Shibada and she a cuss Candy because she can't cuss Shibada. You know see I go chat. Cute boss cuss Shibada because she cannot cuss Shay, and Shay a cuss Candy because she can't answer Shibada because of Shibada bring up everything this morning. You know see that though? You know see that? You know see you go? I saw you go. Cute boss cannot cuss Shay, so she cuss Shibada, and Shay can't cuss Shibada, so she texted from Candy.
Shay me about this morning. And me say, Shay, oh you bad so. Me see how Candy go support the woman. Me see how Candy go support the woman. And the time you take for walk and draw the woman in a yard cleaning. Why you never support her?
Exactly. You see who bring up Candy name? Cause I didn't even know say him bring up Candy name. You see who bring up Candy name? Ashibada bring up Candy name, you know. Ashibada bring up Candy name, you know. You know see your life go do. Ashibada bring up Candy name, you know.
Ask you, but I shame me about this morning, you know. I shame me about this morning. I shame me about this morning.
I joke him, I make.
So, me see how Candy go support the woman. Me see how Candy go support the woman. And the time you take for walk and draw the woman in a yard cleaning. Why you never support her seafood boil? Wasn't that what
he's saying? Yes, she support. Yes, she support, but she could have buy 5. Instead of she buy 1, she could have buy 5. She could have put in extra support, but now she want to put her in a car cleaning. You get it now? You not feel listen. You not feel listen over here. Me no know ya man, too much tons people up on TikTok ya man.
I said this morning? So all cute boss tell me I use mind game. All cute boss come by to your class me. Somebody ask the lady femina what she hear say about her. Somebody please ask the lady. So much time yeah, me gonna ask the lady. Oh, so much time.
Because all Candy I try to explain to her. She no want no part of what Candy I say. She start talk everything else but what Candy I say. Even Candy, I try to explain to her what I say. And she don't want to hear that. It's like she just want to have an argument. She start talking about Hurricane Melissa. She start talking about all kind of things. All kind of things. Except what Candy, even Candy where they say can't read. I try to explain to her what Shibada was saying.
She never hear me say nothing, you know.
Because I don't even think Auntie Pearl, what's up? I don't even think say she hear what Shibada say. Like somebody tell her what him say. But the person, I don't know if the person I don't she depend. He mess with my credibility. All him say, your friend a recruit you for card cleaning and she come. She could have support your seafood boy. She could have even buy 1 extra 5 plate and tell you to give it to her. Even though she probably not gonna do it. She probably gonna sell them back. That not what wrong? What him say wrong this? Yeah, maybe. You're messing with my credibility. Man, you sell crutches. What kind of credibility you have? You sell crutches. What are you talking about? Mr. No sell crutches, people can come on and TikTok and one like una smarty. Like, you're messing with my credibility on TikTok. No, lady. Go sell crutches. Anybody sell crutches not no credibility. Because if you don't can walk and give no crutches to anybody, what kind of credibility you are gonna have, lady? And if your crutches you not have respect for.
Here, Mr. Read. Hold on there.
No, that's all she depend. He might mess with my credibility. What kind of credibility? You never give away anything in Melissa. Who gives a fuck who give away in Melissa? You never use your platform for nothing over here. The fuck? The money tells them come off to do charity and come off to talk about people. What the man tell us ain't coming for do? Like what the hell? You see Sunshine over there in a problem because she don't.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. Leave your comment in the comment section. I'll make you watch some more. Just go watch a bit more and then we're going to move on to the next, my people. As I say, a lot of things me have to share, so make we watch a bit and then move on to the next.
I don't know which side we pick. Either that she want chat people or she want the charity. No, we pick one side, we want chat people. Because you know, so wicked, look much people she help on over there, drag her every day. Might as well we chat, you know, and done. You crazy? Look how much people she help on them, drag her every day. You crazy?
So after that, I was saying, shape with a by 5. I made the woman give them when
Moisha, lotion, the whole out no. Big up my man Salt Spring, my ex. I'm not even know if I'm a man or my ex. Boy, they just fuck my good yeah, man. Big up him though, can come out with him crew. Be a boy or something. Big up all of the boy. I know my man. I'm clear it out to him. It's not my man, me and the boy left. Because I can't bother with never say Salt Spring and my man. Salt Spring is just a good fuck boy. I just a truth. But now I go rob him at that. Big up Salt Spring. The boy move out half of my pure blood clad car come at the dance. You know it really go. You understand? Big up all of my ex them when I seen at the party. The party never last long for me big enough, but me a big enough on TikTok and come buy something more. And that my life. Big up the Ochi people them. Big up the Clarendon people them. CJ, big up yourself, my brother. Yeah, who else we are big up? Me big up all of the girls from Kingston already. Big up Rebel TC, pretty whining machine. Pin up the whole round with the depot over there so with me. Big up all around, because one thing. I'm not telling you, I'm big up TC, you know. TC take the mic and say, oh, me not hear this. We not hear, see, cry no more. Blood cleat. TC, you never done a leg off for the song. Big up cute boss, come and say, big up my brother 6. You understand? 6 me comes. When me a walk in, me see 6. You see me? Pops call me in the day and say, okay, I don't know who I go come. I don't know who I come with me, but I know I now miss your party. Pops YG, big up your blood clot self. You prove yourself to me, say, yo, you are a really good boy. St. Elizabeth people, then big up yourself, right? Rosealee, Akim, you know the bad miss. You understand? TikTok boss. And one thing you do at party when I never did like. I like say you go up on the party, you come on my party, you come do the thing. I'm going to tell you, my party and our artist party. We don't that party, they never did our artist party, but here we know, we are bust the youths them and the things them. Big up you TikTok boss, but me I tell you, yeah, and some stay, me now go hide it. Because you see when TikTok do things, you know hide, you know come out, come talk. But I never, you know what, I never know. Yeah, the artist segment, they kind of show me off still, you know. But you know what, artists are play, you host and you do what you do. When me keep party after the girl them, Box TV for the girl them. You understand? Yeah, we believe in the 31 now with 35. You know, yeah, my party I did for the girl them. I'm not telling like last time I go, I boom Sundays. And I be a people in the party just I boom have my fist so. Be a people I say, okay, you do it. We're ready for September. So I can't tell us that September gonna be a movie. I'm not ask you. Divorce confirmed is going to be an annual party every March. I start something I will not stop. Because remember say girl left man every blood clot there. So you see na them event there, divorce confirmed anniversary. A girl them will go through it, and I go call me. And I go book on something, and I go have on the name, I put up on the name power something. The girl them will overcome. Yeah. So it me I tell you the divorce confirmed is going to be a ear to ear. I me start it. I me are the first one start this. I me I build this in a Jamaica. Jamaica talk about the party and I just tone alone. And Jamaica and foreigner talk about the party. Remember some man give with trouble right through. Divorce confirmed next year March anniversary. We now ease up. Big up all of the spenders them in the party. I now ask you. Big up Frenchie in a blood clot. Frenchie, you know yourself. Big up yourself, Frenchie is a boss bitch. I love you. Big up Frenchie. Big up all of the girl over tie spin. Where you say? You mad? Big up my auntie in a blood clot. Andrea! Wanna see the woman? Wanna see my auntie? Would you stand up there to my auntie? She have an all red and her body big. She naked in a blood clot and stay good. She tell me that she stand up with one group of girls and talk up beer things. Right? So big, oh, somebody said that stand up beside her. Big up my auntie. Big up my auntie again and stand up out of the gate, baby. Big up all of the girls in my bar. Yeah. And big up all of the security them. Go suck back your mother man himself. Cause you couldn't name man himself and I tell me to go suck my mother for Jayden. You fuck man. You fuck man. Any boy come over here and tell me to go suck my mother for Jayden, you really fuck man. Cause Jayden not tell me to go suck my mother for Uno. Uno weirdy? Uno weirdy? I had a blood clot. This a party we are dealing with. But we don't want yet me and bring me done for man. Man I bring you done woman for man. Oh, I'm saying to go suck my mother? Okay, nothing wrong Jayden. I'm me first telling about him mother. Nothing wrong, I'm first telling about him mother because I did upset. Maybe I never did tell him about him. But Jayden, you never feel no way up for suck mother because you're not no mother. So you ever feel that way. I will mother feel that way, I not feel no way. Jayden, no. Me take a suck your mother because I tell people suck their mother all the time. I say go, suck your mother don't bother me. If you walk here, suck your mother to Jayden, I your business. Me no business. Jayden, me not beef, me no want beef with not start no entourage and no crew on me. Cause me strict on blood clot. This no my real pussy me have Jayden. So nobody come start with me. Big up Southside, big up Google Mental, you know? Cause that roll out everybody and we know the party is nice. Perimatic, you know where it go. Remember say we have wasted Wednesdays so OVO keep every Wednesday up at 4:20. You understand? And the girl them the outside, man I tell a lie. One thing I know. I love my TikTok family them cause here we not have to hype. We just do it. And guys, I want to apologize to you about something. I never see Maya and TJ but them say them did they big them up. Listen to me, I can't remember everybody but who did they at the party, big up on yourself. If you're a TikToker, a topper, just a regular person, big up yourself. Big up yourself because you come out. You know, enjoy yourself though. I say Shuckle go on a blood clot moment. Shuckle go on a moment. You know sing here? Shuckle make you sing out no blood. Big up Shuckle boss anyway I'm there. Banka Madan. Oh God. Shuckle boss and banka. You say Shuckle boss and banka. Oh God. And uno say town, me a rep uno for Kingston or anywhere no go. Right through. Right now, my new party lineup will be this. September party, Stone Love. Where do it good now? Google Mental and Randy, yeah. After the on my show. Then Shoko Boss. We'll have to fly back in Lava. Banka. The lineup are go nice. A different segment. If I were you, for jeans or anything, wear slippers and sneakers. Lava get the party when the party done. Lava must get about 4 songs. Lava not get to perform none at all. What my son for wear one crep girl. Cause it's going to be a blood clot movie. To Jayden, I'm making it for her. Cool. Me now.
Alright, my people, the way how them a youth here, me hear them tell them one of them to suck them mother. Me never know say any of them would have feel no way if them hear suck mother. You see me? Me feel like say that should have been music to them ears because them this one and them type of way they right through on TikTok. So me know how to think my people.
War with you.
Me not war with you. But that SYM they never needed, bro.
Alright, Jayden. Me sorry if you tell if you suck your mother through me did upset. If you take suck your mother personal, me sorry. Me did upset and when me get
no, but you know what? No, if you return about mother with you, more feel no way, but you don't do that.
Yeah, but I tell you to me, I tell you if you done it now, then I get upset, I go up in my feelings. So if you feel that way, so I tell you go suck your mother, Jayden. You tell me here, say you say me go suck my mother. We not a fair ball game. So if you want to go suck my mother to my face, tell me I could go on and do.
No, me no, watch you me not feel good at tell about your mother, bro, because me never hit this up on you so yet. You see it.
You mean I did Jayden? You run joke for everything that's a me your war. But I see suck your mother part if you feel a way about it, bro, I apologize. Can everybody can take suck your mother, not everybody.
No,
like
listen
it.
up, K. Me get SYM daily. Me get that. But me never expect that from you, bro.
Me upset, blood clot, Jayden. Come and talk to you, Jayden. You're not listening. So me get upset. And when me get upset, this is how me react. Jayden, they say me upset. The only thing coming on my brain is suck your mother, suck your mother, suck your mother. I cannot help it. I don't know if it's a Down syndrome type of attitude. I cannot help it. Me tell me friend them. Me tell everybody, Jayden, me have a suck your mother problem, Jayden. Me don't know if in my blood me got Dr. Feet and them don't know why it's still there. Jayden, me get upset. I don't know how to control it. So that's why I make sure I come off of the life. Me say go suck your mother when I come off of the life. Cause me get upset, me can't control it. But me can't control it to tell you say, if you feel a way about the suck your mother, Jayden, I apologize. Can't everybody like it. You never diss me yet for true. Me and you only fuck around and do fuck around things. And when me talk to you, you know, listen and rare.
Yes, cause me not lie, me did feel I want them, man. Me not lie.
You feel no man, you don't feel nothing, man. You just want animosity.
No, okay.
I take out the fucking filter there for your bumper clad face, church, eh?
Alright. Come on, let me listen to you for once.
Me calm down now.
Yes, calm down, man.
You don't too much serious joke with people. You don't know the woman.
Yeah, for a night me there with the woman.
Me never know that part there.
You should have known that part there before you tell me about mother.
So you still come back with the suck your mother? And me you see something that means that me apology now?
No, me ask for apology, man, but me still feel it, man. That's it.
Go and drink some water.
Later, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. I feel better now. Now put on back your filter. Alright, later.
Go on, Jay. You see, anyway, me have a plan to go. But if I learn to treat man bad, me have to go carry Jayden. If I learn to treat woman good. Then tell me about one man at St. Thomas. We are going to beat me in my back with one leather belt. Treat man bad. Treat man bad. Me go ask him man if he have a woman in type of him to beat Jayden. Me carried him. I said he's coming. Him have to come. Me not leaving him. Something have to change on this app. Jamila, we are right good girl every minute for. Oh shit, me did have that interview with my name him back. Damn. I can't cook me for go cook. Oh shit. 9, I'm gonna call you. Let's do it tomorrow. Okay. 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. I remember. Bump the rice burn up. Guys, hold on there. Me have to go hurry up and put that curry shrimp here. Me have onion. You know how long me no cook? No onion. No, it's okay. You can't live so.
I do not get the concept. When some of these people talk about me, I'm not listening to them. And the kinds more chop on the board. I just left me out a while ago, go down and see you to my picnic them, or get them money for go about them business. If I never come by a beg 2 cans, could I go down and see you would mix up? How people that say about me? For them go eat and drink something? My daughter's birthday next month. Let me can go for fashion over with mix up and order. June come the 12th of my birthday. It is that I can go on the flight line and book. So long I book the flight with mix up. For go to Thailand for find money. For book flight, buy clothes plus things spend at Thailand. After my birthday, I back to school. It is that I can go on the book shop. Cause son up in there and I chat mix up with the clerk. Then I go call police and put me up for lightering. Not coming in my inbox with a mix up. Me outgrown them stuff there. Me a top girl. We more over in the bag yeah for. Eh? One no come now inbox come to me son I go want. Some of them can't sit my stomach. Some of them. But there's someone that come and come say Rose send me a cash up I say me send 100 I want to peer mix. We have some screen card in for. But that's all do. Not get me upset and about to work my piece. Cause sometime when I'm here in a one good mood, I'll not send me things and upset me. Me no want to see it. Me never ask no question. Defend the kind them on the board. I never ever hear someone on a blood clot coming on my inbox come to me say, Rose, me have 3 lion put on for you, go and go quickly like me send them now. I pay one screen a card, that the person I talk about you, that the person I chat about you, that the person do, me no want hear. He said me that follow the word mix up. Moon day when I did today. But I still catch up on a sea view. Same way I suffer. Because me branch off from all of my family them. I look out of my eye and so long I recount my steps back in my life. I saw me drop, my brush off my body and go again. Me a real hustler in the streets. A long time me a hustle. Since when boy left me not supposed to drop. When boy move my foot, when boy move him foot, me not supposed to drop. Me no wait for boy to put on my pot. Me go hunt it to put it on. Me not do mix up. Me are the only girl in the ghetto that do the mix up. I saw me, I thought with that go lip. Me thought look here, you know, me go ride off a cock. No, me say yeah. This horse, me say yes. But I go and do that talk and extend the time. Me have a wild broad imagination. I'm not keep me no want me plans them small. Me not small minded. A small minded people love mix up. Your brain will develop and right there so wait there. Me I think about a whole heap of things. Ask Toto. Me go meet a client. Them was a girl, me say, yeah, tell me about it. Me say, I have to hear about it. I have some bad 2-3 o'clock. The client time now, you know, my phone a ring. Hello. What you mean by? Me not program people, me not study girl and boy. Family live as spoilers. Money a man. Till me get youth. Me not do mix up my best friend is a man. Me say, I have one boy will call my phone. But I say, hello, for the boy come phone, I say, hello. And I say, Anova Street, I come out of my bed. The boy only want to ring my phone and I'm in my bed and I say, hello. And the boy I say, if I say, oh, this, and I say, Anova Street, I know the code, no blood. There's a police catch me in the boy one time on Anova Street one night. I say, I shame, you see. Tell him, right, me and father all long. I say, I said the police catch around there one night. I'm afraid of father all along there's such a blood clot. And the boy said the boy I kiss up my neck and I blow in my ears and I suck up my breast and I play with all my clit. Right in our local corner. Me come out of my bed feet. I them the things, I them the life them live with me young. I don't do girl and mix up. Where? Me have all issue with peer man.
People want to tell me what they think in the comment section. Alright, Rosealee, me not see him love the bagger and bring down or something, but he ever in a vibes with people. And sometimes I know why you say no more people or how you say it. You see what I say? So our tone of voice and how she chose to like slang some of the things them or say some of the things them make people not go really take on to her or like her. You see me? Because when she go say to the people them say, oh, don't send me no mix up ray a kinds more and them something. People are gonna look at him like say, okay, so you know entertain me in no form how you like. You know what I mean? Dancing, at least she do her dancing every now and again. Is it? and cuss couple times same way. But that ain't a real entertainment, you see me? That just look a drama. You understand what I say? But if you go tell the people them say you want kinds and rare, like that's all you focus on, and it's like demand it from them, and I say if them not have it, them not fi come, it look a way, people. You see me I say it look a way. But let me know one of the things still, guys. Sometimes the people them get annoying to you, man. And it get overwhelming some of the time you have to lash out and just make them know certain things, cause them in it every day, like Rosealee them in it every day, so them a get backlash and them a see the comments and all these things, so some of the time it get to them, so them behavior sometimes can be excused, you know what I mean, but not all the time. You see me? Make watch some more.
Right, the anniversary to right there, I find out how long this so. I meet the blood clot boy. I know the boy gets the boy does give me a look. I said as the boy said on the street, every part for me tempted to cut. I when I reach today, kiss start tongue in her ears, tongue start going in her ears. The boy kiss me up on my neck. Him flick out one of the breasts and have it now, box it now more, pop. The hand reach and I need me, my play with the clip. Me say, Jesus Christ. A piece of feeling they touch me at the piece of corner. Police come back with you. Me say, Jesus Christ. One of the so. Told them time me wild and wicked all force entry. Cause we can't really do nothing, you know, but just go and play around. Cause sometimes I like fool around with man. I pay man me having my brains. Something have to do with a man, that's my friend. Any bad hours, whether up at Euro Circle, whether along a south, whether on a cover room, me have some me I go, or look for a man. That's how I live my life. I not live my life so long. I don't want you to mix up. And money and man, me think about. I know me have you, me put them to money and my man, and me youth them. I not do mix up. Any boy when me take me chat them, and my man them me chat. Yeah. Of course, me chat my man, them afraid. Me chat my man. All of them me chat. Every single one of them across my border. Them have to get chat. Then you know come here, stop, share. Them something in my inbox. Me don't have to block you. Come down to mix up. Oh. Toto are my best friends, I'm a 13-year-old. And Toto knows I must not. Toto know. Him can't send no mix up to my phone. Never, ever. Come me and my friend have a wild imagination. I wanna sit down and talk about one topic too long. We say 2 words I will jump it. Then girl tell me about it now, how it go. The boy fix it properly, me say properly. You know how that go, man. You know it go already properly. Tears me under. Tears. You guani. Come, give it to me. Yeah. You know the mix up. I talk about my activity them when I do in life and cash. You know, do send nothing on my inbox, but nobody a chat me on TikTok, I'm business with that. You know what I'm sorry, so I can't turn back hands in a blood clot time. I can really back me youth, cause them time them live excited. Remember when I to share me, see? Trot. I meet one blood clot boy one time, and I say, alright then. And me and the boy meet the first time, you know, me and the boy go and chat, you know, and the boy and kiss me, nothing I go on, you know. Me say to them come and stone the blood clot, boy. So we are going to say me so come. So I gotta find a man and I hide him. Yo, stone the boy right round a KT. Them stone the boy. I say bun me. You know me and the boy so gonna run along. I'm not really like him and I'm just chat too much. But I just want explore myself. One. Ask my friend. Money and man. I will get youth coming out. I'm not to mix up. Because I me take my time, I do mix up in a life, but the further with me there, can mix up no pay. Why would I want to sit down and lock my fat tail from dust till down and talk about one person every day? and stuck. That is what it do when you sit down, you talk about one person every day, you're stuck. There's no movement for you. You're not focusing on you, me I focus on me. I want man. Yeah. And somebody to track clock. Them time they ride alone.
Alright, my people, leave your comment in the comment section. Make you watch a bit more and then move on to the next.
I don't have to ride and suck up, I have to ride alone. Look at ride and suck. Our boy I play with me and I have him tongue in my ears. I flick out on my breast and my mouth and make me feel some type of way. And them there's something them used to do when me young. I don't mix up. Me ever have a man catch up in one corner somewhere. Me ever have a man pan back up when me young. That's why all of my intriguing life is intriguing. Yeah. The nicest thing when you hide and do it to one boy. You know, some people, man. I am hide and grind. I find one look exclusive corner, even be took behind 2 car. And when you bend, when the man kiss you up and feel up and you know suck off your breast, him getting in the mood and him the button lift up so boom. I just all up your look skirt and just bend over some arch your back, tilt it. And be time the boy around so you look 2 blood clots side. I look if somebody come at them, there's something there nice. It excited.
Man, it's a man that have in their bed, Ziggy. Look there, it's a man that. TJ look better than a man there. It's a man that. Welcome man. Old man. Your favorite man. I want the old man. Ziggy look better than you. Right it, Jakes. What go on, Jakes? What go on?
Jakes, how are you there, people? I'm coming with trouble. Easy now. No, easy now. I said this to you. No, easy. When I like about the boy. When you do my eye, come over eye. Ziggy, I'm jealous. Then come over and bring it down. Tell the boy, I tell him, go on. I know my son is very mad. Go some pussy. Jakes. I would just do over people here.
No. What's it?
I want nobody.
Ziggy, Missy Rose the other one here. She really miss a boy.
Oh boy, you see him. A threesome.
I said
Stop that about threesome. I'm gonna stop that.
Yo, you see, that's why Maya always come defend you. Me see why Maya always come defend you. Me see why Maya always come defend you.
Jayden, somebody got to tell that for you, the people. Hey, miss.
Sir.
I don't ballet boy and ramp with me now. Jesus Christ, Jayden. Miss, somebody said in the comment, you need to put my back to you.
Sir, listen up, sir. No bother with it, sir. Sir, no, big man, no bother with the big man. Big man, no bother with it. No bother with the big man, no bother with it, sir. Young man,
what me do?
Young man, no bother with it.
That man, what the Indian man, man? Come and call him for beat him up again, man. What the Indian man name, man? The rich man, where me, man? Where me stop blood clap ramp with me? Where me, man? Where name chat? Where the rich man name? What beat him up? Where him got party? Where name? Ramesh, stop ramping me. TJ, stop ramping me. Stop ramping me.
Beat up TJ.
Yo, stop ramping me.
You make Ramesh beat up TJ.
What three man do now?
You make Ramesh beat up TJ.
What three man do now? Tell we that. What three man do now? What three man do now? What three man do now?
Don't make me go for Ramesh. Watch out. You come for me first. Move your blood clot.
Ziggy,
you come for me first.
Ziggy,
John know that.
John knows Ziggy.
Are you come to me? Don't
John
come
knows
to me.
Ziggy. I can't believe
Don't
that.
come to
I'm
me.
going to be straight all along
Don't
Ziggy.
come to me come and
I'm
answer
friends
you.
ugly man here.
Me, I got
I'm
answer
friends
you.
ugly man Ziggy.
Me, I got answer you.
Ziggy?
Me, I got answer you. Me, I
Donna.
got answer you.
Donna, you believe it's a 3 months in one room?
Ramesh!
You don't hear?
Don't let me call Ramesh for you.
What 3 months in one room?
Ramesh!
What 3 months in
Don't
one
let me
room?
call Ramesh for you.
Watch him.
Ziggy, kiss your man.
Hey, stop it, Jayden, stop it, Jayden, stop.
No, our man for true, don't you? Our man for true. Transmission. I want transmission. I want transmission.
No, stop it.
Transmission like your mother.
A transmission. I hear Channy.
No, you know,
Transmission like your mother.
Why you need to get later, talk? We can't stay here.
Transmission like your
All
mother.
right. Say make everybody feel uncomfortable.
Go suck your mother.
All right, sir.
Yes.
All right. Ziggy, I want it there. I want it there, Ziggy.
Beat up.
Big man, you have respect in a big man.
Ziggy, I want it there.
Suck your mother.
You have respect in a big man.
Sir, if I have respect for your elders to choose, sir. You
Have
can't
respect,
disrespect
sir.
me, I have respect. I'm older than you, no, sir.
Get beat up.
Sir, I'm older than you. I want to go on.
That's why you never get beat up.
Sir, I'm
That's why
older
they
than you.
ever
Yeah?
beat
Have some
up.
respect.
That's why they ever beat you.
Have some respect, sir. I'm
You
older than
realize
you.
that?
You must have some respect. I say you're going to treat the elders.
Sir, have respect, sir.
Your mouth and your problem.
Have
You're the
respect,
ugliest,
sir.
yo, John, you are the ugliest Chinese class.
Yankee type.
You him did not call in the
You couldn't find one best thing if you're the people that know where they couldn't find somebody
You think we don't know, Jay? You him did not call in the video. Talk the
They
truth,
couldn't
no?
find somebody more handsome.
Make everybody know that you Yankee are talk about, no, Jay?
Teacher, who the man there talking?
Make everybody know that you Yankee are talk about.
Who want to know why 3 man in one house? That who want to know?
Don't worry about that.
GX, leave GX.
Me never know, sir. Me never know, sir. Me never know, sir.
I thought I could let them
Me never know, sir.
price.
Ziggy a fish, TJ.
Yeah, I just find out. I never know either. I know Ziggy as a straight.
What? Me just a find out, sir. Boy, a fish.
I'm brother.
Make up your mind.
Are you brother Ziggy?
I didn't know which side him want the part.
Yes, you come to me and jealous today. Come to me.
Ziggy, are you brother? Are you brother?
You want some
DJ
Barbie?
ask if you're brother.
Barbie, look better than Rose, you know. She better than Rose, I'm in here, you know.
No, Ziggy. You go too far now. You go too far now, Ziggy.
No,
Ziggy, man.
That look like such man foot.
That's right.
That's right.
That's
Ziggy.
right. Ziggy, if you're a TikToker, Ziggy, if you're a TikToker, you can do better than that, man.
That crowny man, Ziggy, man. No, man.
No, that man, Ziggy.
That
No,
look
sir.
like me foot.
Yo,
Yeah, man, chip up and
no, I'm going to put up my nerve, no, I'm chip up my brain.
Ziggy,
Your
Ziggy,
woman,
do better than
your woman lumpy like blood clot, call me Paris when it not do good. Everyone go with a lumpy woman. No, with a lumpy man.
Hey, we are proof on point.
Ziggy, me not lie. If you're a TikToker, you can do better than
Go
that.
for your Rose, then.
What?
We are sure woman shape better than oh. Go for your Rose, then.
Wait till Maya come back. Wait till Maya come back.
Shape like Bob.
Go for your Rose,
Ziggy, sure again. Let me see her.
Go for your Rose,
Well,
Go for your Rose.
would I rather rose
Ziggy.
down that? Move a blood clot, Ziggy.
You can't go for your Rose, you can't talk to bad man.
With a man.
Them are me, gay girl.
Everybody go for them girls.
Alright guys, leave your comment in the comment section. We're gonna watch some more and then we're gonna move on to the next. And we soon end it because the video long.
With a lumpy man. Take the
Ziggy, don't everybody go for them girls.
your bed. You're delusional.
Yeah, go for your girl, Jayden.
But Ziggy, if you go for your girl, you want money going for.
Yeah, pushing that shit up. This sure that.
Lumpy.
No man, Ziggy can do better than that, but not gonna lie still.
Lumpy. Lumpy.
Jayden.
Lumpy.
Yo, Jayden.
Lumpy. Eh?
You know, see, I feel team vibe rougher than Ziggy vibes, and I realize.
Let me see, say, man in a pink pass, and the man in a blue. You put one in a yellow.
Lad! Yo, man, there! No, man. Never can call all a alien for this. No, man, Ziggy.
Ziggy, you
man for life.
No man, shut up. Obviously you kiss man for life.
Kiss man for life.
I couldn't believe that. Me never know Ziggy would have do this. Me never know Ziggy would have turned. Me never know Ziggy would have turned. Me never know Ziggy would have turned. Me never know Ziggy would have turned.
But it's me what him on life. I want to what him on Jayden. Shit up Jayden. Oh James. Mama look at children gone bad.
Me never know Ziggy would have kissed a man.
Jake, somebody turn out Jake.
It's ain't ready for the world.
Jake,
Walking
nobody
on,
turn
he
you out.
was a
Nobody
good
turn you out,
boy. No, he gone bad. Ziggy was a good boy. No, he
Why you
gone
damn
bad.
bad?
Ziggy was a good
Ziggy.
boy.
I'm gonna
He
rate
gone
Ziggy.
bad.
I'm
Now
gonna
go
rate
kiss
Ziggy.
man. And now now the man there go touch him bottom. Good girl, now he gone bad.
Jayden,
One up,
Jayden.
one
Hold
up.
on there. I asked them about she feel bad. Would you hear when she did this me? After me over here pick up fear, somebody comment and say threesome and me say, wanna mute that person there, no man start class. So me not have to disback the man. What you mean?
No, I think
What me come to tell she to stop?
Let me talk to me there.
Ziggy Cassie.
Where's
Let
the
me
Jake?
see there.
Ziggy Cassie.
Let me see them. Let me talk to him. TJ, me think say you there try this me. Me think you this there
Why
this
that
me.
damn bad? Why
Because
that
me
is
still
so?
say him
Why that
start
is so?
already, you know. Come me still say him start already, you know. Me see that
Yeah,
back
but
boy
that man
start
I see
already.
it,
You
not
know.
the same thing. I should have
Alright, so me think them a fall on the bag of wagon. You
Oh.
if look watch him me hear that
Oh. So there you go.